Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Usbindi Mseleku, properly known as Umpumelelo, and also Amahle. So they were both in a relationship. Usbindi sonke samazi ukuthi unesithembu uthathela kubabakhe. Kodwa we're not sure ukuthi isithembu somjolo noma isithembu somshado. But Amahle was loboled, I think last year. Bele bamlobola last year, and siyabazi bahlezi belwa laba bahlezi benama-on and off be-unfriendana ku-Instagram and also TikTok konke nje. But then this time u-Amahle uyabona ama-comments ebekawayenza they were inappropriate for umuntu oshadile, because this one uthe eza kaSibindi madoda umakoti omuhle, and she replied and said angisekho lapho. Omunye wathi Mrs Mseleko, wathi Miss Biela, and then omunye wathi umendo ne-degree, wathi umendo ne-degree yokwenzani. And then she reposted this ukuthi Feba nawe, and now there are a lot of assumptions ukuthi she's either angry because umayeni ukhulume lento ayikhulumile e-TV ukuthi yena akamazi as umakoti u-Amahle, but also uMpumelelo wake waposta u-Amahle and umayeni wakhomenta wathi koti. So I think laphana she was just angry ukuthi they went bayilobola u-Amahle yena angazi lona umayeni. And then u-Amahle yena athola ukuthi ukwatile ukuthi umayeni commented and said yena akamazi as umakoti u-Amahle, cause uMusa wahamba wayelobola u-Amahle engatshelanga muntu, kwaziwa yena noMpumelelo nabomalume bahambile bayelobola u-Amahle. So maybe that's why she was so angry. And people are making ama-comments ukuthi mara ungashada kanjani une-degree nomuntu ongena-degree nje ozigijimisela amantombazane. Hhayi guys, kuyenzeka. Baningi abantu abashadile nabantu abangena-degree. Umuntu wakhona uyaziphandela nje isidalwa. And there were rumors circulating ukuthi u-Amahle has a child, cause bukhona lesithombe ebekasipostile nje, i-video bebayipostile ekhomba i-makeup yakhe kwase kuvela ingane efana kancane noNzulu, kancane noSingabakho. And some people are just assuming ukuthi nje mhlambe ukuthi uMpumelelo spends more time noTerelo, and abanye bathi eyi uyalithela ukhevu ke ugirl basho uTerelo. Guys, I don't think uyalithela ukevu. I don't think. UTerelo uzinikelele kuMpumelelo and she does whatever uMpumelelo ayishoyo. I think uyalimitha naye, but you can see ukuthi nje bayaklika here and there. But then no, Amahle unenkani, uyambona nje umbhekile ukuthi nje unenkani, unokuthi eyi mina ungitsheli lokho, and mhlambe baxabaniswa into zabo bazobuyelana. Eyi mara the way aphosta ngakhona u-girl akuthembisi nje, akuthembisi. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.